to talk about 2XL's latest floor cleaning innovation, Windup. Windup allows you to skip the sink, and it eliminates the hassle of filling and refilling and emptying buckets. Windup works great for spot cleaning, and it's fantastic for larger areas as well. And Windup is always ready to go at a moment's notice. Let me show you a few of the features. It starts with an ergonomic handle with electronic controls built right in. Down below in the cleaning head, we have a refillable liquid tank that's fillable with our cleaning solution or yours. A rechargeable lithium-ion battery that lasts several months in between charges. And of course, we have the Windup cleaning material. So let's see Windup in action. You start by spraying the floor and mopping away. While mopping, you can advance the material and continue to mop. And you have new fresh material while you're mopping. You can either spray more fluid, or if you'd like, you can advance the material and it starts to dry the floor while you're mopping. Windup is also usable on carpets to get rid of that top grimy nap that can occur. And Windup also works great on rubber flooring, such as in gyms or other rubber tile areas. When you have something low, you simply flip the Windup over and you can get below kick plates or other low items. So once Windup is used, the dirty material rolls into the back and it's time to dispose of it. We hold Windup over a trash bin, we press the center button, and the dirty roll disposes into the trash, ready to be reloaded and set up. That's Windup. Come check it out.